Upgrade your existing RAM mount to quad lock with the quad lock 1-inch ball adapter mount. The kit comes with the 1-inch ball adapter mount and the universal adapter. No tools required. The quad lock 1-inch ball adapter mount is all you need to upgrade your existing RAM mount to quad lock. The quad lock 1-inch ball adapter mount is compatible with 1-inch socket arms. To integrate with your 1-inch socket arm, loosen the socket's grip, place the quad lock 1-inch ball adapter mount in the socket and tighten.
The final check is to test fit the case and make sure that nothing impacts any part of the scooter or motorcycle when turning the handlebars from lock to lock. If any part of the case or mount impacts your bike, you'll need to reposition the mount before use. The quad lock universal adapter is a great way to make any smartphone compatible with the full range of quad lock mounts. The universal adapter is added directly to the back of your smartphone or protective phone case. The quad lock universal adapter uses a 3M self-adhesive to bond to your smartphone or case. The 3M tape bonds well to smooth, non-textured, non-porous surfaces such as metal and plastic. The 3M adhesive will not bond to rubber, silicone, TPU or soft touch coatings. Hydrophobic non-stick coated glass as found on the Sony Xperia will also not bond. For more information on suitable case and smartphones, please refer to your suitability guide. Although you can bond the adapter directly to your smartphone, we recommend using a case for added protection and easy removal. Cases like the Otterbox Symmetry, Lifeproof Nude and Spec Presidio work well as they have a hard PC or ABS plastic back which bonds to the 3M self-adhesive. The 3M self-adhesive tape is a single-use, semi-permanent adhesive. However, it can be removed by applying heat to the adapter, usually from a hairdryer, and slowly peeling it off, starting at an edge. The adapter is not designed to be reused once removed. There are 4 simple steps to installing your universal adapter. First, wipe the surface down using the supplied alcohol wipe. Once the residue has evaporated and the surface is dry, peel the protective layer from the 3M adhesive. Position the universal on the rear of your device or case using the center marking lines on the adapter. Press down firmly on the center and edges to achieve a strong bond. The 3M self-adhesive will achieve maximum adhesion after 24 hours. Always test that a strong bond has been achieved before use. To attach, simply hold your quad lock compatible smartphone at a 45-degree angle, push onto the quad lock and twist. Your smartphone is now securely attached and can only be removed by pushing down the blue lever and twisting your smartphone. Once installed, you can now twist, lock and ride.